We have two formulas for discount value, that is F minus BD and another one is F into 1 minus TR. This is whenever time and face value is given. I can find the true discount value whenever the banker's gain is given. So what is the formula for that? That is banker's gain is equal to true discount into T into R. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidyashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysore. In our previous session, we have learned what do you mean by bill discounting. So I said a bill discounting is the amount that will be given from your bank when you have purchased goods for over a period of time and when you are ready to pay the amount before your maturity date. So the discount that is given to the face value of the bill is nothing but your bill discounting. And we have also learned very important terms related to bill discounting and some formulas to calculate whatever it may be, a banker's discount, a true discount, face value, present value. So from now on, it is very necessary to remember all those formulas for your problematic purpose. So in this session, I'll be taking all those 2 marks problems related to your examination purpose as well as your knowledge. Let us solve the problems now. The very first problem is true discount on a bill was rupees 100 and banker's gain is rupees 10. What is the face value of the bill? So what is given here? True discount. It is given by TD is equal to 100 rupees. Next is banker's gain is given, that is BG, that is rupees 10. What is the face value of the bill? I need to calculate F. Now, to calculate the face value of the bill, I know the formula F is equal to BD into TD divided by BG. So this is the formula related to face value of the bill. Here I don't know what is BD, that is banker's discount. How to calculate banker's discount? I know that banker's gain is the difference between banker's discount and true discount. So therefore, banker's discount will be sum of banker's gain and true discount, that is 100 plus 10 is equal to 110 rupees. Now I got what is my banker's discount. So using this, I'll apply here. So your face value will be 110 into 100 divided by 10. So when you cancel, so you will get 110 into 10, that is 1100. So therefore, face value of the bill will be 1100 rupees. Very simple. We doesn't know what is banker's discount. Using the banker's gain formula, we can find banker's discount. Then we will apply to the formula of face value of the bill. Second question. A banker pays rupees 2,380 on a bill of rupees 2,500. 73 days before the legally due date, find the rate of discount charged by the banker. Here my face value, that is the amount which I should pay, was 2,500 rupees. But I have already paid 2,380 before 73 days of legally due date. So therefore, here my discounted value is 2,380 rupees. And the time is here 73 divided by 365. Why divided by 365? Here I have to calculate the time in terms of years, but I have in days. So therefore, to convert it, I am doing 73 by 365. What is my purpose? I have to calculate what is my rate of interest, that is R. We have two formulas for discount value, that is F minus BD and another one is F into 1 minus TR. This is whenever time and face value is given. So use this formula now. So now discounted value, that is equal to F into 1 minus TR. What is my discounted value? That is 2,380 F is 2500. 1 minus time is 73 by 365. I don't know R. So 73 by 365 can be cancelled here. So 2380 is equal to 2500. 1 minus 1 by 5 R. So this is now 2380 is equal to 2500 into 5 minus R divided by 5. You can cancel this. 5 ones are 5 5s are 500. Again, if you observe this, I can put this in the denominator. So this is 2380 divided by 500 is equal to 5 minus R. So when you divide this, you will get it as 4.76 is equal to 5 minus R. When you shift R, this comes here, and shift this 5 minus 4.76, or R is equal to 0.24. So when you convert it into percentage, that you just multiply 100 to this. So this will become R is equal to 24%. So this is the rate of interest for the given face value of the bill. So here first they have given the face value and discounted value and the time taken. I have to calculate the rate of interest. So the formula related to this is discounted value is equal to F into 1 minus TR. So substitute each values. Solve this fraction part. So you will get 5 ones are 5 minus R divided by 5. Cancel 5 ones are 5 500s are. Again 2380 divided by 500. So you will get it as 4.76. On your right hand side you have 5 minus R. Shift R and 4.76. So they will become positive and negative. So R is equal to 5 minus 4.76, which is 0.24. When you convert it into percentage, you will write it as 24%. So this is your decimal value. This is your percentage value. Next problem. BD and BG on a certain bill due after some time are rupees 1250 and rupees 50 respectively. Find the face value of the bill. So what is the formula to find face value of the bill? That is F. That is BD into TD divided by BG. I have BD. I have BG, I have to calculate the true discount. Let us write what they have given. So they have given BD, 1250 rupees. Next is BG, that is 50 rupees. I have to calculate face value. To calculate face value, I need my true discount. I know the formula. Banker's gain is banker's discount minus true discount. So I need true discount. So therefore it is BD minus BG. So that is 1250 minus 50, which is equal to 1200 rupees. Now I know the true discount. Substitute here. Banker's discount is 1250. True discount is 1200. Banker's gain is 50. So when you divide this, face value is 30,000 rupees. So very simple problem. So you need to find out the true discount and substitute the value of true discount in the face value formula. You will get the face value of the bill as 30,000 rupees. Next question. Banker pays rupees 2,340 on a bill of rupees 2,500 146 days before the legally due date. What is the rate of discount charged by the banker? As we did the second problem, same problem, but here the number of days is different. So what is given? Discounted value is given. So my discounted value is 2,340 rupees. Next, face value is given. How much? That is 2,500 rupees. Next, time is given. That is 146 days. Let me convert it into years. So 146 divided by 365. We can solve it here only. So this will become 2 by 5 years. You can divide it here itself. I have to calculate R now. So what is the formula? Discounted value. I'll write in the short form. Discounted value is equal to F into 1 minus TR. Substitute the values. So 2380, 2500, 1 minus 2 by 5 r. So 2380, 2500. So solve this 5 into 1 5 minus 2r divided by 5. Again 5 ones are 5 500s are. Now 2380 divided by 500 is equal to 5 minus 2r. So when you cancel this, you will get is 4.76. 5 minus 2r. Now shift these two here. So now 2r is equal to 5 minus 4.76. 2r is equal to 0.24. R is equal to 0.12. So this is your rate of percent in decimal form. So when you convert this into percentage, your rate of interest is 12%. So the next problem, the banker's gain on a certain bill due 6 months, hence is rupees 10, the rate of interest being 10% per annum. Find the face value of the bill. First, what is they have given? They have given the banker's gain, that is equal to 10 rupees, and rate of interest is given, R is equal to 10% per annum. I need to find the face value of the bill. So what is the formula? Whenever the banker's gain and the rate of interest is given. So to find the face value of the bill, I need both banker's discount and true discount, because face value is given by BD into TD divided by BG. Now I know only the banker's gain. So first let us find what is banker's discount and true discount. So to find banker's discount, I can find the true discount value whenever the banker's gain is given. So what is the formula for that? That is banker's gain is equal to true discount into T into R. So this was the one more formula to find the banker's gain. So now banker's gain is 10, true discount. So time is given as 6 months. That means 6 by 12. So 6 by 12. Rate of interest is given as 10. So that is 10 by 100. So therefore here I can cancel 10 on both sides. So I'll get true discount is equal to cross multiply 12 into 100 divided by 6. 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 2 into 100 is 200 rupees. So this is your true discount value. How to calculate? True discount into time is 6 months, 6 by 12. Rate of interest is 10%, so 10 by 100. So you can cancel 10 and 10 on both sides. 12 to the numerator, 100 to the numerator, and 6 to the denominator. So your true discount will be 12 into 100 divided by 6. So it is 200 rupees now. Next is, I have to calculate BD. For that also I have BG is equal to BD minus TD. So this is 10. So BD minus 200. So if you want BD, shift 200. So it is 200 plus 10, which is equal to 210 rupees. Now I can calculate the face value of the bill. So F is equal to BD into TD divided by BG. So that is your banker's discount is 210, true discount is 200, banker's gain is 10. So this is 210 into 20, that is F is equal to 210 into 20, F is equal to 4,200 rupees. So the face value of your bill is 4,200 rupees. So now here the banker's gain is given 10 rupees. Time is given 6 months, so it is 6 by 12. You can directly cancel here also, it will become 1 by 2. And rupees 10, 10 by 100, and that you can write it as 1 by 10 only. So when you multiply this, cross multiplying and cancelling 10 on both sides, 12 into 100 is 1200, 1200 by 6 is 200. Now you have true discount. Use the formula of banker's gain. Again, to find banker's discount, you will get it as 210 rupees. So therefore, substitute this in the face value formula, that is BD into TD by BG. Your banker's discount is 210, true discount is 200 divided by banker's gain. Cancelling, we'll get 210 into 20. We will get the face value as 4,200 rupees. So yes, in today's session, we have solved some problems on how to find the banker's discount, true discount and face value of the bill, and also how to find the rate of interest whenever the discounted value is given. We will take few more problems on this concept in our next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.